A very warm good morning to all of you. Today, I, Aparna Jain, your science teacher, is going to explain you chapter number 19, A Seed Tells Farmer's Story. We had already covered few parts of the chapter in previous video. Today we are going to continue after that. Let's revise what we had done till now quickly. We had read the story of Damji Bai, which was told by millet seeds. Do you remember? What do we call millet seeds? Yes, these are also called bajra seeds. We read about two methods of storing the seeds that were used by farmers in ancient time. One is they were stored in dried gourd covered with mud, and they also made wooden boxes to store the seeds. And to prevent them from insects, they used to keep neem leaves with them. Yes, we studied about Gujarati dish. And what was its name? Undhiya, right. It is a kind of stew. And stew means mixed vegetables. It basically means upside down. And it is enjoyed with bajra rotis. We also read about various things that are made up of millet seeds, like bajra chapatis, bajra khichdi, dhabera, bajra wrap, etc. After that, we continued with different seasons for farming. They are broadly classified into Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. At last, we discussed various festivals related to farming, such as Holi, Baisakhi, Lori, Pongal, etc. Now, we are going to discuss methods of farming. There are two methods of farming, traditional method and modern method. In this video, we are going to discuss traditional method of farming. First, I want you to look at one video. Then we will proceed. what you have observed in the video? Yes, everything from preparation of land to harvesting and even including transportation, everything was done manually, right? Lots of manpower, lots of efforts were done by people. Now, let's have a look at features of traditional farming. First one is dependence on rainfall. Farmer used to depend upon rainfall. If there will be good rainfall, then there will be good crop. No rainfall, no crop. Next is, as we have discussed, more and more manpower is required. Everyone in the family of farmers used to get involved in farming only. Extra time and efforts, as we had seen in the video. There was use of animals like bullock cart from preparation of land, transportation of seeds, etc. Okay, and the output they get from that was very less. Even we observed various tools of farming. Let us see. This is sickle, right? Next is mattock. This is used to dig the soil, and sickle is used to cut the crops. Moreover, this is very much familiar to you as we had studied and seen about it in class 4. This is wooden plow that is used to level the ground. So, the next thing that we are going to discuss is fertilizers in agriculture. Do you know what are fertilizers? Fertilizers are the substances that increases the fertility of the soil. Yes. Now, I am going to tell you one secret. Yes, secret. Secret of a soil. Do you know who is the best friend of soil? Think of it. Can you guess it? Okay, come on, I'll tell you. The soil's best friend is earthworms. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, soil is a non-living thing. Then how earthworms can be the best friend of it? Yes, they are. I'll explain you. Before that, tell me, why do you choose a person as your best friend? Yes, very well said. Because they always helps you whenever you are in a need. Right? They also enhances the best quality of yours. And what is the best quality of soil? That it is fertile. So that means earthworms increases the fertility of the soil. And that's why they are called as best friend of soil. Now let us see how they do that. Earthworms also help in increasing the fertility of the soil. They are even called as best friend of soil. They soften the soil and they keep digging a tunnel. This way, air and water can easily get into the soil. Earthworms also eat dead leaves and plants. And whatever the waste come out of their body, that waste helps in increasing the fertility of the soil. Second thing that increases the fertility of soil is cow dung. Cow dung were used as natural fertilizers. Even farmers used to create compost. Can you tell me how we can create compost? Let us see the following steps. First thing that you have to do is dig a pit in a garden. Put all the dried leaves. Also add kitchen waste. It may be the peels of vegetables and fruits, or the leftover food of the kitchen. Also add some earthworms to them, and this will convert into natural fertilizer, that is compost. But now the time has changed. The table has been turned around. There are a lot of changes in the farming. Let us have a look on them. Dams are created on rivers, which gave the light in villages, but snatched the sources of water. And because of that, farmers were always worried about irrigation facilities to the field. Irrigation means providing the water at regular interval. Also, farmers started growing one or two crops only, like cotton and wheat, because they were getting good price for them, and the crops like bajra and jowar lost their space. Now people in the village cooked and ate together only at very special occasion or any special day. And whenever they sit together, eat together, they always used to remember how tasty the food used to be. What more changes were added to the agriculture? What revolution was there in the agriculture? This we are going to study in next part of the video. I hope this much is clear to you. Thank you.